got here? I don't know, man. Check this.
Yeah, it's a little spring. It's a little spring. A big spring won't let you do that.
It's not a big spring, man. I think it's a spring.
Big spring could be out in the middle of the river where you go flush yourself.
What we'll do, we'll pass Naeem the rod.
Last thing in the world you want to do is pass me the rod right now. I appreciate it.
Hold on. Sure, I don't know, man.
Hold on.
Not yet. Just wait.
It's a little spring. A big spring would never. I mean, this would be a first. You wouldn't do that.
Have you ever seen a sockeye take this long?
No, but I've never seen a spring take this up.
That's a spring,
That's
dude.
a spring. Yeah,
That's a spring.
That's a spring.
Okay.
Look at it.
Holy.
All right. Okay.
Everybody, game time.
Okay. Focus.
It's not.
Nice meeting you.
Small spring.
Okay.
Cheers.
I got it. We're gonna bring it closely and then just scoop underneath. Got it. Oh, yeah.
You sure? Don't miss him.
I'm not gonna miss. It's one
He's coming.
shot.
He's coming in. Sure. Don't fuck this up.
I'm not gonna miss. I'm not gonna scoop until I see him.
Get the line, go if you need.
This is what we live for.
Easy does it. Go the line if you need. Yeah, it's coming up. Get him, Jared. Get him. Let's go.
I can sweat my nuts off. Jesus Christ.
Get out there. Gonna try to get.
Take your time. Okay, let him go. Okay, we'll try and get him behind the boat, okay?
Yes. Okay, he wants to cover it.
Okay, ready? I'll do most of the work with the rod.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do most of the work with the rod, okay?
He's up. Yeah.
That's as high as I can get.
Okay.
Fucking get that cunt. Get that cunt. Let go if you need. Bring him in. Get up, Jared. Get up. Oh, how many net shots do you need?
You want to trade? You want to trade? You want to trade?
Just fucking get him.
You want to trade?
Okay, let's try again.
Fuck, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna get him high as I can, alright?
Do you want to put the camera down and I'll go in there with the net?
No. Stay in.
Stay as
Both
far.
hands on the barbecue.
Fucking leader.
Talk to me.
Okay.
Go on the boat.
He's under the boat. He's under the boat.
Fly away from the boat.
He's under the boat. Surprised he's letting us stay here. The springs normally won't do this, so.
He's probably tired.
Okay. Oh, not yet. Let me get situated. Yeah, I think you might be right.
What? What?
Okay, here we go. Ready? It's coming up, right?
Yeah.
Get another shot here.
Why don't you guys switch up? Take a break. Switch up.
No, we gotta stay on this here. Too late to change the guard.
Okay.
It's gotta. Come on, you.
Hold on, I can pass it to you.
No, it's all right. It's the leader so long, right? So we have to handline him in the last bit.
You keep him behind the boat, Jared, if you can.
Trying.
You're gonna get in that shot here. I'm gonna do some more work. I'm pull tip up. I'm pulling tip up. Like too far, I can't get back. Hey, let go, let go, let go. Hold on, hold on. He's right there. Get in that shot. Yes!
Yeah! Woo!
Oh, yeah! Bring down!
That's a really nice spring.
Whoa!
Holy. Oh,
Yeah!
All right.
Yeah!
Oh, my.
Yeah!
Woo!
Yeah!
Holy.
Put the net here.
Oh, man.
Nice.
Right in
Good hook set.
Let's get that.
Keep him in the net.
Do not lose.
Yes! Nice little. Nice
That's
little.
awesome.
That's what's up. That's what it's all about.
That was fun. Well done. I got that all on video.
Good job. Fucking team effort, man. I tell you, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Good job. Good patience. Good leader
Here.
control.
All right.
Didn't get greedy.
Here, take a look. Look at me, and then. Yep. Three.
Let me get the hook out of here.
No. You know what? Just leave him in the net.
Yeah.
Just leave him in the net.
There you go, man. Just hoist up your fish. You want to clean them off real quick.
Fucking right. Yes.
Want to clean the net? Matt's not taking calls right now. And that's what it's all about.
ready?
Wow.